Thinking about buying a home in Orange County, California, whether you never owned a home before or it's just been a while since you purchased, let's talk about the pros and cons. Hi, my name is Ace Nguyen with Ace Estate at Keller William Reality. So when you're thinking of buying a home in Orange County, California, let's review some of the pros first. Number one, your wealth can increase as you build equity in your home. Research from expert and economic from the Home Price Expectation Survey believe that we are going to continue to see an increase in home equity throughout 2023, averaging about 3%. If you look at this graph just based upon a 250,000 home after 6 years, you have over 42,000 of appreciation. Number two, you gain tax advantage. Mortgage interest is tax deductible as per IRS code. You can speak to your accountant for more specific information and numbers. This can be a significant tax saving when owning a home. Number three, according to CoreLogic, rents are going up and mortgages are going down. Number four, you can stabilize your payment. Monthly payments are relatively steady if your loan has a fixed interest rate, while your landlord can increase your rent. Number five, you have a secure place for your family to live and grow. You can also decorate and expand your home in the way that you like to create your dream home. Number six, gain a sense of community. Homeowners often are more involved in the well-being of their communities. Many homeowners work together for better schools or less crime. Now, I have to be honest here. I could go on and on about the benefit, but let's think about the cons when purchasing a home in Orange County, California. Number one, you need to think about maintenance costs. It takes work and money to keep a home in good condition. It's sort of like a car. If you don't change the oil, the car can blow up. Number two, it can tie up your cash. Selling a house may not be possible during the first few years of home ownership. Moving is more difficult and complicated. You may need to not have as much flexibility in choosing a new job location. Number three, your home can fluctuate in value. There is no guarantee your home will increase in value. In fact, it could decrease in value. Number four, obligate your finances. When you buy a home, you're obligated to make that monthly payment no matter what. So it's always a good idea to have a bit of a nest egg as a backup for a rainy day. So there you have it. But let's be real, buying a home can seem scary. Call us here at Ace Estate and let us guide you. We take out all of the worries and pressures so that you can make an informed decision. And as always, we're here to turn dreams into reality, one home at a time.